Leave the seats down.
Help! This dude has me in back roads, like, I don't even know where we are. I have no idea where we are. Let me let you guys see for a sec. Okay, this is like, you're seeing buildings and stuff now, but it was nothing but trees and curves, which I sometimes like, but there are so many curves. You can see the mountains up there if you look straight ahead. See the pretty mountains? Beautiful.
We're headed to Danbury.
Danbury?
Danbury.
Going to Danbury.
Bury.
So yeah, we're still riding. It's like, how much longer we have? 13 more minutes and we'll be at our destination. Sorry for all the bumping, but we're on a bump road. We got some nasty but good Bojangles, and I say nasty because of all the grease. After this weekend, we're all going on a diet or fasting because we have eaten horribly for the past like 3 or 4 days. It's been ridiculous. So yeah, they're the girls. Hi. They have on their little headphones listening to something or watching something up here on the screen. Alright. Alright, look at the curves, y'all. Nothing but woods. Trees. And if you look over here.
Alright, another curve.
Drop. Okay, here's another curve, you guys.
Good Lord.
Wow.
It's pretty steep.
Yeah, we're definitely in mountain territory here. My mom's already called telling us to be careful of wild animals and all that. So alright, you guys, we will see you when we get there. Okay, we are at the visitor information center.
Look at that. Except with a permit that may possess concealed. Dang.
So what?
Mama.
If I had concealed permit, we could carry.
Yeah. What do you want, baby?
So.
What'd you say?
You
I love you, Mama.
I love you too, watch out. This is beautiful. Don't, Jay, hold our hand, please. Just to make sure she's not being wild. Ooh, B.
My legs.
Did it get your legs?
I'm ready to go. You gotta
Black vulture, turkey vulture, American crow, common raven.
All right, let's go get changed so we can get to walking. Come on, Alora. What was the guy telling you, Jay? Okay.
I grabbed 2 of these.
All right, so now that we're dressed like we're going on a safari, check out Johnny.
Hi.
We all have on long sleeves, just in case, because we're going in the woods with bugs. So hopefully we can get some good shots, y'all. Ready to hike? Here we go. I don't know. Let's go.
Me and Bibi have our things. Little girl together, little girl shoe.
ankle sprain good.
Okay, go down. Okay, Bibi.
Look at the little baby.
Listen.
Yeah, you hear the water? Do you guys hear the water?
Mama, and
Listen.
you say,
You hear it? Hey! There's water down there.
you can't really see it that good.
No, we'll see it better. Let me get up here.
Those are some big rocks.
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna
Is
get
this
wet.
just an overlook, or how do you get to the actual fall?
Do not lean on it. Daddy, do not lean on it.
What, baby?
Can we guys going in the water?
You can take this. You gotta take your stuff off. Hi. We had to come up those stairs up there. I'm talking to the wonderful people. Hold on. Hold on. Yep, I'm about to take it off. Mommy's just getting some shots. Oh. You guys, this is so epic. What?
Water comes from the waterfall.
Because it is. Wow.
Come on.
Please be careful, Vivi. Guys, this is so beautiful. I'm gonna put you up here so you can watch. The water is freezing cold. Freezing.
Want to check out the other one?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
You want to get the other one? Yes! We made it up the hills. And my butt and legs are on fire. And I love it.
45 years.
That is the absolute best part of hiking for me.
We've been out here for 45 years. I'm still 9, she's still 3. You're still how old? And you're still how old? I forgot. I forgot.
But y'all, you hike so that when you get to the top, you get to a beautiful view, or you get to the bottom, the beautiful view, whatever. And the physical fitness benefits of it all. It's wonderful. Wonderful. You haven't been hiking, you don't know what you're missing, you need to try it. Okay, you guys, we're going to Hidden Falls first, and then Window Falls is a little bit further. We have water, baby. Don't be drinking out of that thing.
I just wanted to see.
Oh, you just wanted to see. But yeah, I think we'll be doing about a mile. About a mile, you said, to go to both of them?
Round trip, 1.2 round trip.
Okay. Laura, let's do it. Guys, I like the, I was stalking you then too. I like these shelters, you guys, for picnics. They're so like old Western style looking to me.
They're picnic.
Or deep down home country. Does anyone have to use the restroom? There's a sign for women.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Men was back there.
They can pee in the stream.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look up here.
Jeez.
I don't think I want to go underneath that.
It's still pretty though. No, you stay with Daddy. Let Daddy hold your hand. Daddy's stronger than Mommy. Look up there, Jay. She's up there in the...
Wow. That is cool. It's actually like a window up there.
Uh-huh. Look at that under the rocks, you guys. Johnny's going in. You don't have to go in. Mommy's not going in either. Huh?
Feels good once you get in it.
Yeah. Oh, Laura, you getting wet? It's up to you. You don't have to.
I'm going to go with you. Come on. I'll get in here.
All right. They're going in. We're going to go downstream. You can take it, yeah, you can feel it right there.
That's like a shower in the wintertime.
Oh, God. She just wants to feel the water down here.
Good job. Good job. It was like 100. Man, it's cold.
Hold on, you got to stand right here for a minute.
If it was like 100 degrees out,
It'll feel good?
it feels like it's like snow water.
Oh, wow. At least Laura got in. Look, you guys, we're under here. Stand right down here. Get down. Hey, Jay, pick up Biggie. I'm going to get a picture about the waterfall.
No, we're not going in
Pick it
there.
up. I'm
No,
not putting it in
he's
it.
not taking you in the water.
Cold? Get it.
Man, that feels good. All right, thank you, baby. Oh, we gotta go through this door?
Yeah,
Instead of the room?
This door over here.
Okay. Come on, book. There's the pool and everything in there, but somewhere over there. We won't be able to go in there. Oh. Oh, cool. Let's look around. Get off the camera strap, baby. Move your arm, baby. Oh, cool. It's a nice place.
Hey, they have a room up there.
Yeah, that's the workout room.
Whoa, look at that elevator.
Yeah.
Wow, that's so cool. This is so cool.
Going up.
Whoa.
Going
Isn't this
up.
cool, baby? This is cool, Mama.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh,
Whoa.
This is what floor?
7.
This
There's only-
can't be 7 floor. The 7. Oh, yes, it is. I guess so.
2 more.
That was quick. All right.